Hello and welcome to our comprehensive Linux command tutorial. Today, we will explore various essential Linux commands that are important for managing files, directories, system processes, and user accounts. Get ready to improve your Linux skills with practical examples. Understanding basic Linux command syntax. In Linux, you should type commands into a structured format. This format tells the system what actions you want it to perform. A typical command looks like this: command, -argument, ~long argument, file. Here, command is what you want to do. The -argument is a shorter option that changes how the command works. It is optional and it starts with a single dash followed by a letter. The ~long argument is also optional. It is a more extended version of the argument, starting with 2 dashes followed by a word. Finally, file is the target file or directory on which the command acts. This format helps you manage files and settings clearly and precisely. Case sensitivity. Remember to use the correct letter case when typing commands in the shell. Linux is case sensitive. For example, typing the command pwd in lowercase works correctly. This command displays your current working directory. But if you type pwd in uppercase, the shell does not recognize it. This mistake leads to an error message. Command options with ~help. Let's explore the ~help. This is very helpful for understanding commands better. When you add ~help to any command, it shows detailed information. It tells you how to use the command, its options, and sometimes examples. Now let's explore a scenario in which we manage files and directories effectively in Linux. As step 1, create a new directory. First, create a new directory for our project called project. mkdir project. As step 2, navigate into the directory. Move into the project directory with this command: cd project. As step 3, create a new file. Create a new text file named notes.txt with this command: touch notes.txt. Step 4, list files in the directory. Check the contents of the directory by listing the files with this command: ls. As step 5, write to the file. Add text to notes.txt. Type the following and press Ctrl+D to save. cat >notes.txt. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Step 6. Display file contents. To view what you wrote in notes.txt, use the cat command: cat notes.txt. Step 7. Create a subdirectory. Create a subdirectory inside project called archive. mkdir archive. Step 8. Move the file to the subdirectory. Move notes.txt to the archive directory with the following command: mv notes.txt archive /. Step 9. Copy the file. Make a copy of notes.txt back in the main directory. cp archive /notes.txt /notes.txt. Step 10. remove the copied file. Remove the duplicated file with rm-notes.txt. Then, move to the notes file from the archive to the main project directory by mv/archive/note.txt space dot. Step 11. Remove the subdirectory. Now, archive is empty, so we can remove the directory with rmdir archive. Step 12. Find files quickly. Use the locate command to find all occurrences of notes.txt. Locate notes.txt. If locate is not installed yet, install it by running apt install plocate and accept any messages. Then run locate notes.txt again. Step 13. Check current directory. To confirm where you are, you can use the pwd command. Getting disk space with the df command. In this part, we will learn about the df command, which shows disk space usage on file systems, using df to show disk space. This command provides details such as the file system name, total space, used space, available space, and mount point. If you want to see the disk space in megabytes, use the -m option, df-m. To check disk space for a specific directory, specify its path. For example, to check the /home directory, type df/home. Kill command. Now we will learn how to manage background processes. We'll run a process in the background, find its PID, and then stop it using the kill command. This exercise will show you how to control processes in a Linux system and give you practical skills in managing processes. Let's begin by running a process in the background. First, start a simple process in the background using the sleep command. This command pauses operation for 300 seconds or 5 minutes. The end at the end of the command runs the process in the background. Immediately after execution, you'll receive a job number and a PID. Also, you can find the PID of the background process. Combine the ps command with grep to filter the output. psaux var grep sleep. This command lists all active processes, with grep filtering to show only those related to sleep. Look for the number next to the username, which is the PID. Now, use the PID to terminate the process with the kill command. For example, kill 1075-440. This command sends a termination request to the process, asking it to shut down. To make sure that the process has stopped, check again with this command, psaux var grep sleep. If you have successfully terminated the process, it will no longer appear in the output. If it's still listed, you may need to send a stronger signal, kill-9 PID. This command forcefully stops the process. Manage users. Let's learn how to add and remove users on a Linux system. We will focus on creating and deleting user accounts, including their home directories. To create a user called John and make a home directory for him, you would use user_add John. To entirely remove a user named John from the system, use the following command: userdel John. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you liked this tutorial, please consider subscribing to our channel. We're adding more helpful guides and tips. See you next time.